Hi everyone, I'm John and I'm a Tantra teacher, and I'm delighted to be sharing this video with Martha, who's a clinical sexologist and relationship counsellor. And we've known each other for many years and we're great friends and share the same passion for all things around sexuality, and in particular Tantra. And we're bringing you the opportunity to join us in a new workshop which focuses on Tantra for couples. And we are particularly aware that in this time of COVID, life has become more isolated and more intense. So if you're separated from your beloved or you're actually living with your beloved, it's a chance to do a workshop in the evenings where you can actually connect and connect in a different way, perhaps the way you're used to connecting. So with this particular opportunity, we're looking to invite you over a series of 3 evenings. You can do one on its own, or you can do all three, or come to a weekend, again online, where you can immerse yourself deeper. Do you want to say something else, Bob?
Yes, so it's called Tantric connection for couples. We have the basic, which is the 2-hour, 1 or 2 or 3 part. You can sign up for 1 or 2 or 3, or the weekend that you can join us. So it's going to be via Zoom. You don't have to be physically with your partner, although that is also a possibility. So you can be together with your partner in the same room, or even with social distancing, you can also join us. So that's the advantage of Zoom. You can have your video on or off, the audio on or off, and you can even change name if you're concerned about privacy. So the session will be recorded. The recording will be just on me and John. And it's our gift to you. You know, you sign up for it, you get the recording. And just like anything, sometimes we attend something and we might miss certain parts and we want to go back and watch it. So this is where the online learning will allow you to feel safe, to maintain your confidentiality and your privacy, and also be able to enjoy the recording and also be able to interact with us in a way that feels comfortable. So during this time, I have done so many online trainings, and I was amazed by the increased participation of all the shy people, because they can also private message me. So I really, really like to invite you to join us, because John is highly experienced, and with technology, it's now possible for both of us to be sharing the best of what we know.
Yes, so if you feel the call, and we really hope you do, to join us, you can find all the details below. And if you've got any questions, as Martha says, then please get in touch. Otherwise, we hope to see you soon. Bye.
See you.